What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know who this is. This is your girl, Miss Cece here. I know y'all. I know it. A shame on me. I know it. Just pop out with something very vampy and, you know, just be drugstore on top of that. How dare. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining my channel. I really appreciate it, y'all. The subscribers has been coming. I'm really over 400 subscribers. I am so ever thankful. Thank you for all the support, all the love that you guys have given me. I just love you back. Much love back. Much love. But yeah, today it's about the drugstore vampy nighttime look kind of thing. At least that's what I'm going to title this. Not clickbait though. Not clickbait. What you see here is some nighttime drugstore. Some things I haven't, shared to you guys on my channel before. NYX again, come out with something great. I know you guys like, I'm sick of her coming out with all these damn NYX contents and come out with these kits and hell, I can't never find them. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but I'm pretty sure that you can go on their website and try to look for the shade, and I'm pretty sure they probably got it there. But if they don't, I am so sorry. Please forgive me. I mean, hey. But I kind of like look up and find these items, and I want you guys to know what I'm finding, because if they do have it, maybe you can go on their website and actually purchase the products. So I'm not saying I have a link to that website, because I didn't get it from the website. I got it out of a retail store. But nonetheless, this is my vampy drugstore look. I never done a vampy drugstore look on my channel before, except I don't think I have, and I did just title it that. Probably did and didn't title it. But if I have, here it goes again. It's just titled what it's supposed to be titled. And I hope you guys enjoy it. If you are not already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell right beside it so you can get my newest uploaded videos straight to your telephone, your PC, or your any kind of tablet devices you may be looking at me on. Anything else let's be said, let's just go right into this video. Have not put this on my channel, but I have used before. Makeup by Shayla, baby. Yes, I love these shades. Oh my gosh. But this little plum burgundy shade shimmer here, that gold shade shimmer there, and this bronze shade shimmer. Little transition shades here. I got my blending shades that I can just put in the outer corner, the inner corner. Hey, I'm ready to go with this one little palette right here. Walmart. Makeup by Shayla collaborated with Maybelline. This is in the shade black. She did collaborate to make the mascara as well. It's called Big Shot. If you guys never seen this before, there you go. There you go, camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one eye off camera and come back with you. This is what I came up with, guys. I actually came up with every color that's in the palette. And as you can see in the crease area, that it did transfer. That gold shade did. Side note, I did cut the crease with this cream shade, which I use for a transition shade all over. I set it on top, so I may not set it this time. Yeah, let me go ahead and complete the rest of this look. I don't know, it seems like I've done a look like this before. Like I normally would do, I went on and concealed my eye using the NYX Full Coverage in the shade Glow. So taking my M441 brush, I am going to go in with my transition shade, and it is very powdery, so just going to make sure that excess is kicked off. So taking that shade, I'm going to pat that in first, all over the lid area, up here on the crease area and the hood, and just blend it in. Taking my M514 brush, I am going to be using in that brown shade. Just tapping it ever so lightly, because like I said, it is a lot of powder coming off. Very pigmented though, so I'm not going to take that from the palette. Ever so lightly, I am going to go in the crease area and just pat it right into the middle and the outer corner. Taking some of that shade up into the hood area and the outer V corner. Now, as I blend, I am very lightly just taking that brush, windshield wiping it up, making sure I am blending it out and inward into the inner corner. I'm not actually putting any more shadow on this brush because, like I said, this shade is very pigmented. It looks chocolate inside of the palette, but when I blend it in, it looks like a plum burgundy shade. with a hint of brown. And I do look at Makeup Shayla videos, and she really does like the smoky eye effect. So I think she just went with that kind of plan when it came to this palette. And she kind of like nailed the shades down, because these are like everyday shades, especially that black that's in this palette. Oh my god. See how smoky that is? That didn't only just come from that brown shade, it came from that black. Now taking it as far up on the brow area, I want to take it just a little bit right on the hood area. So if you want to call it the upper hood, the upper east side. Switching brushes, I am moving to the M507 brush. Taking that black shade in the palette. Just going to pat because it's very pigmented. Patting it. Get the pigmentation on. Taking the brush, going to flick it outwards and bring it into the crease area. And if you see any glitters, it's from that gold to where I tried to really go in on that crease area and it just didn't want to cooperate. So like I said, we're gonna do it totally different on this eye. When she made that shade, I know she was like, anybody can use it, but it's going to be really, really chocolate girl friendly. And girl, you know what? That is all right with me. So looking at this now, you know it is not the same. So we are going to build up colors. We're not just going to leave it like this. So going back and forth with the brushes, dipping into the shades. That's how we're going to build up the colors. Right, now everything is blended to Blendationville. We're going to go in with our cut crease and start applying our glitters. So just taking the NYX concealer and my 421 brush by Morphe and just cutting the crease on the lid area. I'm not going to cut it all the way back. Just going to start from the inner corner down to about, I don't know, maybe 1/3 from the outer corner. So. Alright, so now that the lid is cut, I am not going to set it. I am going to go in with that purple shade first as my first glitter color. I'm going to go ahead and put some of the powder up under here because I know how I fell out really bad on this cheek. So yeah, let me go ahead and apply some powder down. Taking some MAC Fix Plus, I am going to wet it. Let's start right here in the middle area and just pat it right into the lid. Just gonna wipe that off the brush. This yellow gold shade here, adding that shade onto my brush. I'm gonna take the MAC, pop it right beside that purple. And then I'm gonna kind of like connect that purple onto the gold. I'm gonna leave that a little bit open for that other shade that's in that palette. Doing the same thing I done on the other eye except setting it. And I'm not getting as much fallout. Taking a nice smaller detail angled brush. Good for like an eyeliner or maybe even some eyebrows. Because I want that angle to get into the inner corner. Oh yeah. It's pretty. But now I can say that it is transferring a little bit, but nothing like this area over here. Nothing. I am going to be taking a Sonia Kashuk eyeliner brush. It is very flat, as you can see. I like to use this for gel liner, using the Maybelline Ice Studio gel liner. So just wiping some of the excess off. I am going to smudge whatever I have left on this brush on my bottom lash line. Now I'm going to set that gel liner with this brown shade up under there with a small shader brush from Wet n Wild. Take it up and flick it out for a wing effect. What I'm going to do is just clean those eyelashes off. Taking another detail brush, I'm going to pop that yellow gold shade right on the bottom lash line, just right in that inner corner. Last time. Yep, this is by Broadway. Yep, my Broadway adhesive lash glue. You know, nothing new on my channel. Take this powder off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm using the 120 Blacks by Ardell. Right, lashes are on. Maybelline Big Shot by Shayla. I'm going to be using her black. I'm going to use this on the top, and I'm going to use Hard Candy's Be Bold black mascara on the bottom. And if it look like I'm not using a mirror, I really am. I got a mirror right in front of me. So I actually got this plum kit shade that I bought from Goodies. It is retails for $6.99. So you have a mechanical lip liner. You do have a turned up lipstick. You got a whipped lip and cheek souffle. And then you have a jumbo lip pencil inside. Alright, so let's just open it up and let's see. As you can see, I have not opened these products before, but this is the whipped, this is the whipped souffle. This is the turned up lipstick. Right here, this is what it look like. I'll take out the packaging in a minute. This is the mechanical lip liner, and this is the jumbo lip liner. Now I know you guys probably have seen these before, so let's take out the plastic on these buddies and let's see how they look on this lip. This is how the whip looks. So it is a turn out, and then it has an applicator there. Okay, for the video, I am going to use it on my cheeks. I am. So I'm going to rub it in, and I'm going to pray about this thing. It's blending like it's supposed to. Okay. I actually like that. I really do. So, just with a different eye color scheme, maybe. I do have the mechanical lip liner, the jumbo liner. Come on now. What the? Oh my God. Wait a minute. It is like really sealed in there, guys. Look at that. Do you see how the black sealed inside? Oh, I can't open that. So this is what the jumbo pencil look like. Unfortunately, I can't show you the shade. So this is the lipstick. Glides on perfect. Just says extreme color lipstick. This is the mechanical lip liner. So it does twist up. Alright, so moving in with the lip liner. Does it says anything else waterproof? It is waterproof. Okay. This is the shade Plum and waterproof. And this is the turned up in the shade Feline. Vampy. Yeah, very, very vampy. Ready for the nightlife. Thank you guys for watching again. If you have not already subscribed by now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get my newest uploaded videos when I do upload. And make sure that you are subscribed, okay, before you leave this video if you plan on subscribing, alright? Leave all your comments, questions, and concerns down below. I love to hear from you guys. And yeah, this is it. Till next time, guys. Bye.